afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Today we will continue with the English language. We have been doing vocabulary, so we move on to the second topic under vocabulary. And today we'll be having a look at homophones and homonyms. Homophones and homonyms. So first we have homophones. So homo, same. Phones, phonetics. Means same phonetics, same pronunciation, same sound. So what are homophones? Words which have similar pronunciation but their spellings and their meanings are different. So such words are called as homophones. Means same phonetics, same pronunciation but spelling and meaning are different. Okay, so a list of some homophones are given here. You can have a look at it. Accept and accept, 8. B with a single E and a double E. Blue, BLEW and BLUE, something you blow away, and a color. Buy, BUY, something you go to purchase. Buy, and then this buy also. Sell, sells in a body and something you go on to sell. Die and die, due and due. Here HEAR and HERE, here R, HOUR and OUR. So you know all these homophones, the way we pronounce them is the same but their meanings are different. And then we carry on. We have some more homophones like air and air. HEIR, it is not pronounced as hair, it is also pronounced as air. So AIR and HEIR, both are air but the meaning totally different. Okay, BARE, bear, empty. Alright, and BEAR, bear, the animal. So both are pronounced as bear but the meanings are different. Okay, so this would be a homework. You go through this list of the homophones that is given on page 163 and page 164, and then let's move on with the exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. So correct option is already given in the brackets for you. You simply two sentences, or you could say a set of sentences is given for each number and you have to fit the correct one in the blank given. Okay, first one. Be careful with the crockery because they might which break? First one, which break?
Second.
Alright, tell me the
Ma'am, second. Ma'am, BREAK.
Right, BREAK, break. And press gently on the dash to slow the car. So the second one, that is to put a brake to stop the car. BRAKE. Alright. Number 2, we saw a huge dash in the zoo. Which bear?
Ma'am, first one.
First one, okay, BEAR. And the second, the cupboards are bare. BARE means the cupboards are empty. Third one, see, 3 options are given here. The poor man only had one dash to his name. Which scent? Tell me the spelling. Which scent will come here? Come on, Joshita, Nusra, Mehek. What is wrong with you people? Which scent will come here? The poor man only had one cent. Which scent?
Ma'am, second one.
Okay, second one, CENT, scent. Alright, then second one, I love the dash of gardenias. Gardenias are flower. Here which scent?
First one. Third one.
Third one will be correct. SCENT, scent, means the smell, the fragrance. And have you sent the mail? SCENT means have you That is for sending out. Sent the mail. Number 4. The that poem is very dash to me. Which dear? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ishita?
second year.
Yes, beta? Ashley?
Ma'am, second one.
Right, second one, DEAR means the poem is very dear to me. Means you love that poem. Okay. Number 2, there were 7 deer grazing in the pasture. Deer, here it is used for the animal deer. I hope my plants don't dash in this heat. Which dye? The color dye or dye?
Ma'am, first.
First, okay, DIE. Rebecca wants to dash her hair purple. Dye means color her hair purple. The recipe calls for 2 cups of dash flour. Which flour?
Ma'am, second one.
Okay, second one, FLOUR, flour. She put a single flower in the vase. Flour, FLOWER. Okay, my dash is a mess. Which hair?
Ma'am, first one.
First one. Have you read the story about the tortoise and the hare? What is a hare? HARE.
मैम घोड़े का बच्चा.
What is this nonsense? Tortoise and hare. What is that famous story? They decided they would race.
Ma'am, a rabbit.
Rabbit.
Ma'am, rabbit.
Okay, yes. Vegetarians do not eat meat. Which meat? MEAT or MEAT?
Ma'am, second one.
Second one, MEAT. Where shall we meet for dinner? Okay, MEAT meet here. Let's go to buy a new dash of shoes. Pair. Which pair?
Ma'am, first.
First one,
Ma'am, first
PAIR.
one.
The fruit basket contained a banana, an apple and a pear. Here we are talking about the fruit pear. Karthik went dash town. Which two? TO, TOO or TWO?
Ma'am, first one.
First one, single T and O. Karthik went to town. Why don't the dash of us go to town tomorrow? Which two here?
Ma'am, second one. Third one.
Third one,
Third one.
TWO. Why don't the 2 of us, means 1 and 2, 2 of us, go to town tomorrow? Third one, I want to go to town too. Which 2 here?
Ma'am, second one.
Second one, TOO2. Alright, let's move on. Some words in this message have not been used or spelled correctly. So, a message is given here, you just like the message you do in class, and you have to rewrite the message correctly. So, the words are given wrong, means they should have used the other homophone instead of the word which they have used here. So, we have to simply correct that, that's all. Let's read. Hi Raj, please reach the river side by 9 AM tomorrow. We will take a ferry to cross the river. FAIRY. Which is this ferry we are talking about? FAIRY is ferry. Which ferry? Yes, come on. Fairy tales, you have never read fairy tales? परियों की कहानी? Yes, class 7th.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means this ferry is wrong. Which ferry should we use here? What would be the correct spelling?
Ma'am, FERRY.
FERRY, ferry, correct. I have already booked a ferry in advance. Second sentence is correct. We will watch the musical band performing at the old fort. What band? Something that you ban, you don't allow, disallow? Which band are we talking about here? What would be
Ma'am,
the correct spelling?
BAND.
BAND, right, band. Group of musicians playing together, band, performing at the Old Fort. This show is only for 2 days. TODAZE. 2 days, today and tomorrow. Is that correct? What would be the correct words here?
Ma'am, PUDAYS.
T
Ma'am, DAYS.
DAYS is days, but 2 days.
Ma'am, TWO.
Yes, correct. TWO, 2 days. 2 days we are talking about, today and tomorrow. So 2 days. Alright. So those were the homophones. Means same sound, same phonetics, same pronunciation, but meaning and the spelling is different. Now we move on to homonyms. Means same name, same spelling. Alright. So the words that have same spelling, sometimes even they sound alike. So spelling is same. Sometimes the phonetics, the pronunciation is also same, but they have different meanings. See the examples which are given here. Like bat. Now bat. Bat is one which you play cricket with, and bat is also a mammal. So bat. Word is same, spelling is same, but the meanings are different. Alright. Bear. BEAR. Bear is an animal, and bear means something which you need to bear, a burden, something which you tolerate. Bow. You know, you tie up a ribbon and you tie a bow on that, and then a bow is also a weapon. Okay. Then act. Act is also means to do something, to act upon something, and then act is also a scene from a play. So words, same spelling, and many times the pronunciation is also same, but the meanings are different. So those are called as homonyms. Okay. Frame sentences to distinguish between, exercise C, frame sentences to distinguish between these pairs of words. Now this is for your homework, this you will do, and this you will do in your fair English copies. So exercise C, page 166, this you will do in your fair copies. You will make sentences to show the difference between these pair of words. Way and way, W-E-I-G-H, way, and W-A-Y, way. Week, W-E-A-K, week, and W-E-E-K, week. So you will make sentences to show the difference between the words. And so simply you will have to make sentences, that's all you have to do. And this you will be doing in your English copies. Okay, exercise D. Fill in the blanks with homophones of the highlighted words and complete the sentences. He fought the bear, so you have to use the homophone of the same word, alright, which has been highlighted. He fought the bear with his dash hands. Bear, B-E-A-R. Which bear we will use? With his bare hands.
B-A-R-E.
B-A-R-E. Empty hands. Bear. Have you finished reading the Tale of the Tiger's Dash? Said Ratan to his younger sister. Tale. T-A-L-E. Tale is a story. Tale of the Tigers. What tale will you use here? What spelling? Yes? Yes, Tahura?
T-A-I-L.
Right, T-A-I-L, tail. This is R, R of play, R, R, O-U-R. Which R will come after that?
Ma'am, H-O-U-R.
Right, H-O-U-R, R. Mohan ate dash bananas for breakfast. Mohan ate, which ate? Yes, tell me the
Ma'am, 8. E-I-G-H-T.
E-I-G-H-T, the number, the numeral 8, the number 8. So Mohan ate, he ate. How many bananas he ate? 8 bananas. I blew a big dash balloon.
Blue balloon. Ma'am, blue.
Okay. Spelling?
B-L-U-E.
Ma'am, B-L-E.
Right, B-L-U-E, blue balloon. Blue balloon. Alright. Exercise Spot the wrong homophones and rewrite the sentences correctly. Where have all the flowers gone? It's a great folk song sung by Pete Seeger. Flowers gone. What should be the spelling of flowers here?
Ma'am,
Yes, Flowers. Please keep these books there, said Rohan's teacher to him. What is wrong in the sentence?
Ma'am, there.
What would be the correct spelling of there here?
Ma'am, THERE.
Right, THERE. Because THERE is used with respect to people. People working together should complement each other. What is wrong? What is wrong in the sentence? Any idea? The word complement. You have to use the other complement. Like you have complementary angles. Yes, you have done complementary and supplementary angles. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
complement, COMPLEMENT, complement means those
Okay, ma'am.
who can work together. It is not about complimenting, saying good things about each other, but like people who work together, they should be able to work together, gel together with each other. The principal of our school had some good principles. What is wrong? Yes? Now this you should know, you all are students. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, principles.
First should be PAL and the second should be PLE. The principal, PRINCIPAL, the principal of our school had some good principles, PLES. Let's have a 3-course meal this afternoon. What is wrong? Okay, this I'll tell you. Course, COARSE, course means rough. We are not talking about a 3 rough meal. We are talking about the 3-course meals. Means you eat, you have an appetizer, then you have the main meal, and then you have the dessert coming. So that would be a 3-course meal. So course, COURSE, a 3-course meal. Shall we visit the book fair this year? What is wrong in this sentence?
Ma'am, there.
What would be the correct spelling?
SAIR.
Right,
SAIR.
IR. Okay. So that is all the time we have for today. Have you understood what we have done? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Alright. For homework,
Yes, ma'am.
do exercise C in your English copies. Don't forget that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, baby.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.